Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's James here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the best way to invest your money so you can retire early and you can just achieve that financial freedom and get back your time. Stay tuned. Do something for me that my wife doesn't do is blow up that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because it tells YouTube that I am someone that needs to be watched, and I just want to reach a much bigger audience. That way I can help as many people as I can to achieve their financial freedom. Thanks, let's continue on with that video. I'm going to be talking about two things that you've already heard of. Don't click out of the video just yet, but it's real estate and dividends. I'm going to teach you a strategy later on in this video on how to make all of this compound and work for you. That way you can achieve this financial freedom a lot sooner than you think you can. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is dividend stock investing, because let's face it, not everyone has the money to invest inside of real estate. Some people have wives that want Gucci belts for their birthday. So when we're talking about dividend stocks, what we're talking about is owning a portion of a company. Let's just say Facebook, Disney, AT&T. They're going to be rewarding you every 3 months for being a shareholder in their company. So part of their profits, they're going to take and pay you every single quarter. Some dividend stocks that are in my portfolio are Royal Caribbean. They got destroyed from the stock market crash that's going on right now. Disney, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, all of these are very, very handsome dividend. Now here's the kicker on it's kind of recession proof. Say you buy these companies today, for any of these companies, for $100 per share, and they're paying you $2 every single quarter, and you're gonna hold on to this stock for 20 years. Let's say you're buying Coca-Cola for $43 right now, and they're paying you a dividend of 40 cents every single quarter. Who cares if the market fluctuates if you're keeping Coca-Cola for the long term? All you're worried about is getting that dividend every single quarter. And if you're investing in great companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Disney, all these blue chip companies, it doesn't really matter what happens to them in the short term, because you're keeping on to them for the long term to cash flow, to bring you in money every single quarter. And you can stack these companies. You can go on Google and the NASDAQ.com and type in Coca-Cola dividend, and it'll bring up what months that they are paying out their dividend. And what I mean by stacking is, say Coca-Cola, they're paying out on month 1, 4, 7, and 10. And then you're gonna want your next stock, let's just say Disney, paying on month 2, 5, 8, and 11. And then you're gonna want Pepsi to be paying you out for month 3, 6, 9, and 12. Guys, that's what I mean by stacking. You're gonna get paid every single month. Now, the downside of this, you can't use leverage to make your money work farther as you can in real estate. So we're gonna hop into that really quick. So with real estate investing, what you're gonna want to do is invest for the long term. Invest for cash flow. Yes, you're gonna wanna buy it for 10% below market value. That's not too difficult. All you have to do is just run some numbers, ask your realtor, real estate agent to run some comps for you. It's not that hard. That's on a $100,000 property. If you buy it for $90,000, oh, there you go, 10%. With this potential housing market crash that could be coming up in the next 6 to 12 months, I'm not worried about it, guys. Properties might go down in value. I'm still gonna be cash flowing every single month. That's all I care about, keeping these properties long term, and they're gonna be paying me every single month that I own these properties. And if it's all right to say it, it's kind of recession proof, because you're just holding on to these properties, they're cash flowing. You don't care if a property goes down from $100,000 to $80,000. Yeah, you're down $20,000. Guess what? You're holding it for 30 years. It's gonna go back up and even more than what you bought it for. Now, the strategy I want to talk to you about is compounding all your monthly cash flow and kind of just making this little cash flow machine. So once you get to the point where you can buy your first rental property and you have your 6 months of cash reserves, you're paying all your expenses, I want all of that cash flow going into dividend stocks. That way you're getting every single month, you're getting your rental property payments, and you're not having to worry about anything because you have all your expenses paid for, and you have your cash reserves if anything was to happen. And then you're putting everything into dividends, and they're going to be paying you monthly, and then everything is just starting to compound. That's how true wealth is built, is just compounding your money. Think of it this way. You're taking, for my example, first property, taking $15,000, and I turn that into roughly $600 every single month. Now I'm putting that, and that $600 a month I'm putting into dividend stocks. That money is also working for me by compounding with the dividends that that company is paying out. So say for example, Coca-Cola is paying me 40 cents per share, and I'm buying them for $40 a share. That's gonna be 10 shares of Coca-Cola I can buy with 1 month of $600 invested in them. So it's about 10 shares, a little bit more, but you get the point. With that 10 shares, every single quarter, I'm getting $4. Now that might not seem like a lot, but that compounds over time. I'm 25 years old. Just from that one property and taking that and putting it into dividends, every single month, I'm getting $4 more. $4 more. Now it's $6 more. Now it's $7. Now it's $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. It compounds. This is how wealth is built. And I'm not gonna be bold to say it. It's recession proof. You're just holding on to these companies, these properties long term. Who cares if the market goes down? It doesn't matter. Don't be scared and sell off things because you're scared to lose value in a property. Who cares? You're cash flowing. That's how you are going to retire early. You're going to be replacing your day job income with your investments, with your rental properties, with your dividend investing. That's the point I want to get across to you guys, is make your money compound. Make this money right here, make it work for you over here, and then make that money over here work for you over here. And then it's all about patience. Trust the process. You will retire early. I'm 25. I'm on the path to retire me and my wife in 4 years. And that's really just from real estate investing. That's not talking about the dividends that's going to be coming in as well. And I have a video over here that's going to be talking about my predictions on what's going to happen with the real estate market. Until next time, guys, I'm out. See ya.